Hello and welcome to How to Play Chinese Chess. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need a Chinese chess set. Thanks to Yellow Mountain Imports for providing the Chinese set used in this video. The board is placed in between the 2 players. The board has 9 vertical lines and 10 horizontal lines. The playing pieces are played on the intersections of these lines. The 3x3 lines with diagonal lines in them is known as the palace. Each side has a palace. The space dividing the 2 sides of the board is known as the river. Each player has 16 playing pieces: 1 general, 2 guards, 2 elephants, 2 horses, 2 chariots, 2 cannons, and 5 soldiers. They are set up as shown here. The object of the game is to put the opponent's general in checkmate. The general can move 1 point vertically or horizontally within the palace. The general cannot move to a point outside of the palace. The guards can move 1 point diagonally within the palace. The guards cannot move to a point outside the palace. The elephants can move exactly 2 points in any diagonal direction. Elephants cannot jump over any piece when moving. The horses can move 1 point vertically or horizontally and then 1 point diagonally. The horse cannot move through another piece. The chariots can move any number of points horizontally or vertically. Chariots cannot jump over any piece when moving. The cannons can move any number of points horizontally or vertically, just like the chariots, but when making a capture, the cannons must jump over exactly 1 piece along its line of movement. The soldiers can move 1 point forward. Once a soldier crosses the river, it can move 1 point forward or 1 point to the side. A soldier can never move backwards. If a piece ends their move on an opposing piece, that piece is captured and removed from the board. Red starts the game by moving a soldier 1 point forward. Play moves to white, who makes a move with their horse. Play returns to red. Players will continue to take turns with the goal of putting the opposing general in checkmate. When a player puts the opposing player's general in danger of being captured, check is announced. When a player puts the opposing player's general in danger of being captured, and the opposing player has no option but to be captured, checkmate is announced and the game is won. That wraps up How to Play Chinese Chess. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.